Hello guys, welcome back. So as we already completed our first 3 challenges, let's take up our 4th challenge now, which is implement the percent of total pricing method. So once if you launch your playground, let's go to our setup by clicking on this gear icon. So here I'm just gonna make a click on object manager, and in quick find search for product, click on product, and now go to fields and relationship. So here I'm just gonna search as percent, and now click on percent of total category. So here if you scroll down, you will find new next to values. Click on new, and for this value we are gonna give it as warranty. Once if it is done, click on save. So guys, once if it is done, let's click on this app launcher followed by Salesforce CPQ so that you will get this page. So here click on product, and by clicking on this drop down next to recently viewed, change this to all product, and in search list search for warranty extension. So I'm gonna search for warranty, and now click on warranty extension. So here click on edit. So if you scroll down, you will find pricing method. So give it as percent of total, and for percent of total give it as 5, and for percent of total constraint give it as list prices minimum, and for percent of total category give it as warranty. So once if it is done, click on save. So again click on products. So now we are gonna search for SSD hard drive 128 GB. Copy this and just search it over here by clicking on all products. So once if you get the result, just click on it, and now click on edit. So if you scroll down, you will find percent of total category, give it as warranty followed by save. So repeat the same step for remaining 2 as well. So copy this and search it over here, choose it as all products and search it over here. Now click on it, choose edit, scroll down and give it as warranty followed by save, and now copy this and come back, click on product, give it as all product and search in the list and choose it, click on edit, and now scroll down and choose it as warranty followed by save. So that is all about this project, and now let's go back and click on check challenge. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed our 4th challenge as well. So remaining challenges will be available in the same playlist. Do check that. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.